Hello everyone. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel called Power Dynamics, and in today's session we learn about PDF function in Power Apps. So PDF function in Power Apps allows you to convert your screen or a part of screen in PDF, and syntax for this is PDF and your control name. So for use the PDF function, you have to enable it from the experimental features. So I'll go here and search for PDF function. So here I enable this. Now click on close. Let's suppose I want to convert this into my PDF. So for this, I will add one button control on my screen, and on this button control or on select property I will give the formula set where PDF comma PDF function, and it requires a control name. So here it is gallery 3 and parenthesis closed. Now when I click on this button, this variable will contain the PDF of this gallery. Now to see this, I will add another control known as PDF viewer and add this on my screen, and the document in the properties document property I'll update with where PDF. Now once I click on this button, it will show me whatever content is there in this gallery. So let me show you in play mode. I'll click on this button. Now you can see here the same content you can see in the PDF viewer. So this is how PDF function works in Power Apps. I hope you all like the video. Please like, share, subscribe, and follow for more such videos. Thank you.